Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to adjust your steering wheel, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, so to adjust your steering wheel, all you need to do is go to the car button down here, push that, and then on your quick controls panel, which is the first one that comes up, all you need to do is hit steering wheel, and then basically you'll be able to adjust it using your left scroll mouse. So basically, if you want to go, so if we just do it, you want the steering wheel to go up a little, roll it up. If you want it to go down, you're going to roll it down. And if you want it to go closer to you, you're going to go left. And if you want it to go farther away from you, you're going to go right. And that's basically it. So if, once you do that, you'll notice on the top here, if you have a profile, so I can show it. So see your profile here. If you, once you make your adjustments and you save it, then you can be good with it and you don't have to do anything. So for me, since I just messed around with it, I'm obviously going to hit restore and it'll fix it to all the settings I had before. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.